Dear people of Rivers State, on 28 April 2021, the Rivers State Security Council, in consideration of the recent murderous attacks on security personnel in Ikwere and Abua Odua local government areas, imposed a nighttime curfew on our land borders with other states. A review of the present security situation shows that the threat of further deadly attacks on hard and soft targets across the state still exists. This being so, it has become imperative for the state government to take further necessary measures to secure our state and safeguard lives and property. Accordingly, the State Security Council has today, after exhaustive deliberation, decided and advised that a statewide curfew on human and vehicular movements be imposed as part of additional measures to prevent the faceless criminals from unleashing their deadly actions. Consequently, a night curfew is hereby imposed on the entire 23 local government areas of the state, prohibiting any human and/or vehicular movement within or any part of the state from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. from today, 29th April 2021, until further notice. We wish to repeat that in taking these and other drastic measures at this time, our singular intention is to secure our state and guarantee the protection of lives and property. While therefore calling for continued understanding, we again advise everyone to be vigilant and promptly report every suspicious movement in your neighborhood to the security agencies for immediate actions. Thank you, and may God bless Rivers State.